in the middle of the night. It's dark. You don't even know what you're fighting against and what's going on. I can't even imagine that.
It floods down here quite a bit. Now, this was a super flood, and just looking out, it looked like you're looking out over a bay of water. So I would suspect that that woman that was floating, when there was a flash of lightning or some kind of glimmer that she could see, it probably felt like she was in the middle of the ocean. Yeah. That's how wide it was in places.
Is there any glimmer of hope that you have gleaned from all of this experience, or what kind of message that do you have for people watching this, that not only is there hope and God is in with us throughout all of this? It's hard to see at times. Were there some miracles that you saw?
Yes, there definitely was. Obviously, that rescue that I witnessed, that was a pure miracle. But the immediate response from civilians, so to speak, and I'm talking thousands at our station from all over the place. And this past 13 days, there's been people from everywhere. People that you wouldn't normally mix with. Did I get cut off?
No, you're still here. You're good.
Okay, the screen. But people that normally would not mix, from all different political standpoints, you name it, were shoulder to shoulder, risking their own lives trying to save people and find people. And that was the remarkable, beautiful, one of the most remarkable, beautiful things that came out of this tragedy. And it was incredible.